Could Samsung be about to drop one of its popular Galaxy models? A fresh leak hints that the Galaxy S Plus series might be on its way out, and the spotlight is now shifting to a new device, the Galaxy S25 Edge. Reports say that Samsung is considering replacing the Galaxy S26 Plus with the S26 Edge as early as next year. But there's a twist. This move depends completely on how the Galaxy S25 Edge performs once it hits the market. If the new Edge model sells well, the Plus version could be phased out for good. Let's take a closer look at how this could unfold. Right now, Samsung's Galaxy S lineup includes the regular S model, the S Plus, and the top-tier Ultra. There's also the Galaxy S FE, which usually comes later in the year and offers a more affordable option with decent features. This year, Samsung already has the Galaxy S25 FE in the works, and now, with the addition of the S25 Edge, that's 5 models competing within the same series. That's a lot of phones, and it's easy to see why Samsung might want to simplify things. The main reason behind this possible shift seems to be sales performance. According to what Samsung is reportedly sharing with suppliers, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to sell around 17.4 million units. The base Galaxy S25 is projected to sell 13.6 million. But the Galaxy S25 Plus is lagging behind, with only about 6.7 million expected units. Compared to the others, that's a huge gap. From a business perspective, it makes sense. Why continue to produce a version that isn't pulling in strong numbers, especially when a new model like the Edge might attract more attention? The Edge version seems to be aimed at people who want high-end specs but in a slimmer and more compact design. It's supposed to sit neatly between the base model and the Ultra, offering powerful features without the extra size or weight. Leaked details suggest that development for the Galaxy S26 series is already underway under the project name NPA. Right now, the plan is to release 3 phones next year: the Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Edge, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Interestingly, Samsung is still leaving some flexibility in the lineup. If the S25 Edge doesn't perform well in the market, Samsung might reconsider and bring back the S26 Plus. In that case, both the Edge and Plus could exist side by side, especially since ultra-thin flagships are expected to be a growing trend, possibly influenced by rumors of Apple working on a super-thin iPhone 17 Air. So what exactly makes the Edge model different? It's built to offer top-tier performance in a sleeker form. Early reports suggest it could come with a 200-megapixel main camera, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chip, and support for Galaxy AI features. The thinner body is what sets it apart. It's for users who want power without bulk. And if Samsung promotes it right, the Edge could end up being the most popular option of the bunch. There's even talk that Samsung might use advanced battery technology like silicon carbon in the Edge model. This would allow for more capacity, possibly around 4,500 mAh, without increasing the phone's thickness. It's another move that fits perfectly with a slimmer flagship phone strategy. What do you think? Would you pick the Edge over the Plus, or do you think Samsung should keep both options? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more updates, leaks, and easy-to-understand tech news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Ever wondered what cool stuff you might be missing on your Samsung phone after the One UI 7.0 update? Most people notice the updated look or how smooth everything feels, but some of the best features are hidden in plain sight. These small changes can actually make using your phone feel more fun and personal, and you probably haven't even tried them yet. Let's start with something playful. Samsung has added a smart new tool to its keyboard that lets you create stickers just by typing out a short sentence. Imagine typing a sleepy cat on a pillow and seeing that exact image turn into a sticker right from your keyboard. It uses artificial intelligence to create a visual version of what you type. No more searching through sticker packs or downloading extra apps. Now your ideas become your own custom stickers with just a few taps. If you're into doodling or drawing, there's another new feature you'll enjoy. One UI 7.0 introduces Drawing Assist, which lets you turn your sketches into stickers too. Just draw something, a star, a heart, or even something silly, then tap the sticker option and it instantly saves your artwork as a usable sticker. You also get a few different styles to choose from, so your sketch can have a unique look. It's an easy way to make conversations more creative and personal. The update also brings improvements to the Gallery app, especially when it comes to photo collages. Now you can make your own layout instead of choosing from pre-made templates. Just pick your photos, tap create, and go for the freeform option. This lets you move, resize, and rotate your pictures however you like. You could even change the background color, blur it out, or add rounded corners to your images. It's all about giving you full control over how your collage looks, whether you're making something for social media or just for fun. Multitasking has also been improved. If you use floating pop-up windows for apps like Notes or Messages, you'll notice a smarter feature added. When you minimize these windows, they turn into small icons that float under screen. Tap one of those icons and now you can see previews of all the minimized apps. That means you won't waste time reopening each one to find what you're looking for. It's a small tweak, but it helps a lot when you're juggling multiple apps at once. For those who like taking photos, Samsung made a thoughtful change to the camera app. Before, every time you close the app, it would reset your exposure settings. Now it remembers them. So if you prefer your photos to be brighter or darker in certain modes like Pro or Night mode, the camera keeps those settings ready for next time. It's a tiny detail, but it saves you time and makes shooting photos a lot smoother. These updates might not be big headlines, but they add a lot to how you use your phone every day. From creating stickers on the spot to smarter multitasking and helpful camera settings, One UI 7.0 focuses on the small things that really matter. These features make your device feel more like yours, customized to how you use it. If you've already upgraded, try out these tools and see which ones become your favorite. And if you're still waiting for the update, these are definitely some things to get excited about. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you learn something new, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more simple tips and updates. Are you trying to figure out which smartphone truly stands out as the best in the market right now? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max? These two devices have created a storm in the tech world, pushing the limits of performance and innovation. With Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra entering the ring with its cutting-edge technology, the competition between the two becomes more intense. While many factors like design, ecosystem, and user experience play a role in making a choice, let's focus purely on the performance aspect, using benchmark scores to compare the raw power these devices bring to the table. In the world of performance testing, Geekbench has long been a reliable tool for measuring the capability of a smartphone's CPU and GPU. This tool gives us a way to compare both devices in a way that removes the guesswork and focuses entirely on numbers. So let's take a deeper look at how both of these devices perform under the hood. When it comes to single-core performance, Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max has traditionally been the leader. Powered by Apple's 18 Pro chip, the iPhone 16 Pro Max achieved an impressive single-core score of 3457. This score places it slightly ahead of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which scored 3220 with a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor. Apple's consistent dominance in this area shows its ability to deliver top-notch performance in tasks that rely heavily on a single core, such as opening apps or web browsing. However, when we switch to multi-core performance, the competition flips entirely. Here, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra showcases its superior power, scoring an outstanding 10,223, leaving the iPhone 16 Pro Max trailing behind with a score of 8553. This clear gap shows just how well Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor handles demanding multitasking or